Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to talk about a new watch face, and because this is a paid watch face, I'm going to go through the details of this watch face so you can see exactly how it looks and what are its customization features before you get it. And there is one really cool feature that I've seen in this watch face that I've not seen in many other watch faces, which I'll talk about later in this video, so stay tuned. So let's get started. Now first of all, you can see that this is an analog watch face. We have a really cool looking hours hand, and then we have a minutes hand and a seconds hand. We have a couple of complications here as well, and then we have this index, which is also really pretty. Let's go ahead and take a look at its always on display version, and there are two always on display versions on this watch face as well. I'm going to show you the other one in a couple of minutes. So now let's go through some of its colors. Now here you can add and customize it with colors, and there are a ton of color options that you can add. So I'm going to go as orange as possible. So that's the theme color. Then we have accent color. So that's the color of the seconds hand, this battery icon that you see here, and this date. So let's change that. So again, we have got a lot of colors to choose from. So now I've found the orange that I was looking for. So that's a nice combination. Scrolling next, we get to index. So there are three types of indexes. So you can go really minimal, or you can have these lines here, or you can go with the full index. Moving on, we have style. Now take a very close look, because there are some really minor changes, but they make a big difference on how the index looks. So we only have two options. This is the first one, and now this is the second one. It kind of makes these triangles hollow. The second one, first one, the triangles are all full, and in the second one they are hollow. I really like this look. Then we have hour hand. So that's the hour hand. You can make it full solid or this hollow oval shaped kind of hour hand, and I really like this look, to be honest. So you have already seen the always on display here, but here you have the option to turn off these complications. So this is the second always on display version, and you can also turn off these complications. And now if I go back and I bring on the always on display, you will see that we have a very clean look. There are no complications. You just have these analog hands, and that's it. And now the next feature that I want to talk about is actually a very unique feature of this watch face, which is a complication progress bar. So you see this battery percentage, there's a yellow circle around it, that's the progress bar. If I turn it off, it will disappear. If I turn it on, it will come back. And here you can see this progress bar, it is at 64%. If I turn it off, this will disappear and it will just show the battery percentage. So that's another really cool customization feature on this watch face that I really like. Next up, we have complications. So you have two complications. You can go in here, you have a ton of options in complications. You can select any one of them. So there you go. That's the final result of customizing this watch face. Now you can go crazy with the customization options, with the color options on this watch face. You can really make it minimal by removing these indexes and the hand and the complications, or you can go like this. I really like this style. I'll put the link in the description. Go have fun with this one, guys. This is a paid version. I think it's a couple of bucks, but totally worth it. So that's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.